Hi students, welcome to Prabhavi Academy. Today we are discussing class 8 maths mensuration 9th chapter exercise 9.1, the first one. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. You can see here the trapezium is given, its parallel sides, the length of the parallel sides is given, and you can see here the length of parallel sides is given, that is 12 meter and 1 meter, and its perpendicular height, that is perpendicular 0.8, the height is given. That means top of the table is area of trapezium. That means here the area of top of or the top surface, area of top surface of the table is equal to area of trapezium, and area of trapezium we know the formula half into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height, into h or into height. So already we have given with the lengths of parallel sides. I will take the length 1 meter as A, this I will take as A and this as B, and this will be my H. Now half into sum of parallel sides is A plus B into H. That is equal to A is 1 plus B is 1.2 into H is 0.8. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1.2 plus 1. 1 means 1.0 it is always. So 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2.2 into 0.8. Okay. Now many of you don't know how to multiply the decimal numbers. So I'll give you a simple trick here. 2.2 I can write it as 22 by 10 because 0.2 means 10. Here also 0.8 means 8 by 10. Now I can cancel this 2 with 22. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 into 8 by 10 tens are 100. Now 11 8s are 88 by 100. 100 means decimal points. Leaving the two numbers, you put the decimal point. 0.88. So 0.88 meter square is the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 0.88 meter square. So that is the answer. The next one. The next one is second one. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Here A, B, C, D trapezium is given. Its area is also given and one of the parallel side is also given. We need to find the other parallel side and we are also given with the perpendicular, that is height. Height is given. So let us see that also. The second one. The parallel sides. One of the parallel side is, here I will start with the A, B, C, D, A, B, C and D, and they are given one of the parallel side, that is one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and perpendicular perpendicular distance is 4 centimeter, and the other parallel side is asked. This is the other parallel side and BC is given, and area they have already given, area of trapezium is mentioned, that is 34 centimeter square, and this I call as A and this as B. B is question mark. So here A is equal to 10, B is question mark and H is 4 centimeter. So length of the D, other parallel side, is to be found out. So how it is to be done? Again, area of trapezium, formula, you know, it is half into sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B into height. Here they are given, area is already given, that is 34 centimeter square. So I will write 34 half, A is given, that is 10, B is asked, and height is given, that is 4. Now 34 is equal to multiplication is to be done with 4. 4 tens are and 4 into B. 4 into 10, 4 into B. That is 4 tens are 40 plus 4 into B, 4B. Now 34 is equal to 1 by 2. I will take 2 common to cancel this with the 2. 2 20s are 40 plus 2 2s are 4. Here I will cancel the 2 with 2 and I got 34 is equal to 20 plus 2b, and I will take this 20, I will transpose this 20 to other side. For transpositions you can refer my YouTube channel. I have made a video named Maths Made Easy. You can go through that. So 34 minus 20 is equal to 2b, and here 12 is equal to 2b, not 12, here it is 14. 14 is equal to 2b and b is equal to, again 2 I have to take this side, it is multiplied with b and it will be divided by 14. So now b is equal to 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So b is 7. That means the other parallel side is 7. So this is the answer. And the next, that is third one in this. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Area of the field is asked. So let us do this. Third one. Here the diagram is a trapezium or the quadrilateral, otherwise you can say quadrilateral. A, B, C, D are the vertices and BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter and AD is 40 meter. 40 meter. AB is question mark. AB is question mark. Let us solve this. So these are all the sides given: BC, CD, AD. They all together give the length of the fence of the trapezium. So BC is equal to 48, CD is equal to 17 and AD is equal to 40. Now, and they also given length of fence of trapezium is 120 meter. Now, perimeter of trapezium is, perimeter means this is the length of fence only, because you are fencing this area AB, BC, CD and AD. So that means length of the fence is equal to perimeter of the trapezium itself. Now perimeter of trapezium, what is the formula? Sum of all sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA or AD, that is equal to 120. 120 is already given. Now here AB is to be found out, AB, and BC is 48, CD is 17, DA is 40, that is equal to 120. And if you add all these, you will get 105 is equal to 120. If I transpose this 105 towards 120, 105 is plus over here, so it will become minus. So AB is equal to 120 minus 105. That is AB length of AB is equal to 15 meter. 15 meter. And that AB length itself is the height of this trapezium. You can see here. It's a perpendicular. So this becomes the height itself. Now this 15 meter is taken as height of the trapezium. Now to find the area of trapezium is equal to, formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half into, here A is 40 and B is 48 into height we just got, that is length of AB is the height, that is 15. Now half into 40 plus 48 is 88 into 15, and that is equal to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, that is equal to 44 into 15. 44 into 15 is 660 meter square. So area of field which is fenced is 660 meter square. So this is the answer. Let's go to the next one. Next is fourth one. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. They are given here the quadrilateral shaped field and the diagonal is given, and let us do it. Fourth one, the diagonal is given. On that diagonal, the vertices here A, B, C and D. BD is the diagonal, that is 24 meter, and A, from A the perpendicular is dropped on this diagonal, and that is given, which is 13 meter, and the perpendicular from C is also dropped on the diagonal DB, and that is 8 meter. And now we know that BD is 24 meter and length of the perpendicular dropped on length of perpendicular dropped on BD is, I call first one H1, that is 13 meter. This is H1, and H2 is 8 meter. So this I call as H2. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, you can see it forms two triangles, right? Two triangles are seen here. ABD, one triangle. The other triangle is BCD with the common side DB. So area of quadrilateral, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ADB plus area of triangle BDC. Now area of triangle formula, you know, half into base into height. Base is what here? Base is this DB. DB is base for both ADB and BCD. So BD is the base and H1 is the height. And the second, so here area of ADB is this, and the second area of BDC is half into again BD, because BD is the common side, that is the base here, BD into H2. So half into BD is already given, that is 24, and H1 is 13 plus half into BD is 24 plus H2 is H2. What is H2 here? 8. H2 is 8. So I will cancel these. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Here 2 ones are 2 12s again. So 12 into 13 plus 12 into, here it is, into 8. Into 8. So 12 into 8. Here you can see 12 has appeared twice. So here in this and this, the 12 is there. So I will take as a common 12 into bracket 13 plus 8 I can write. Or otherwise directly I can multiply 12 into 13 and 12 into 8 and I will sum up that. So this is also one method. So 13 8s are 13 8s are 21 and 21 into 12. 21 into 12 is 252 meter square. So area of quadrilateral is, therefore area of quadrilateral is equal to 252 meter square. So this is one method, and one more method is there. So that's the simplest one. That is area of ABCD. Directly you can write area of ABCD is equal to diagonal by 2 into sum of heights plus andre, that means h1 plus h2, sum of heights. So diagonal here is, we know 24 it is, and h1 is 13 and h2 is 8. So simply cancel it out. 2 ones are 2 12s are, and 12 into 13 plus 8, it comes out to be 21. Again 12 into 21 is 252 meter square. So this is the second method. This is method 2. You can refer any one.